Which event would cause the market equilibrium in the diagram above, which is the market for surfboards, to shift from point A to point C? So we are going from point A to point C, which is right here, and we can see that that is caused by a shift in supply from S to S2. So that's a decrease in supply. So we're going to go look through these answers and figure out which one will be a decrease in supply. So the technology used to make surfboards improves. Well, if the technology improves, that will increase supply. So that's moving in the exact opposite direction of what we want to go. So it won't be that. Then the cost of wetsuits, a complement, increases. So remember, if the cost of a complement increases, that decreases the demand for the good that we're talking about. So it's like wetsuits and surfboards go together, and now wetsuits are more expensive, so you have less money to spend on a surfboard. So that's going to affect demand. And one thing that's really easy to remember is that any effect that happens to a complement or a supplement always affects demand. It doesn't affect supply. So because we're dealing with a shift in supply here, we know that it's not B. Next thing, the cost of inputs used to make boogie boards, a supplement, decreases. Well, I could go through the entire example of what's going to happen in this market, but we automatically know that that's only going to affect demand, and we're talking about a change in supply here. So we know that it's not C. And that only leaves D, and that is that the cost of inputs used to make surfboards increases. So if the cost of inputs increase, then that's going to lead to a decrease in supply, which is exactly what we have here. So our answer is D.